Hey, Matt here at Wenatchee Insurance. Let's talk about individual healthcare. These are plans that are usually on the exchange in our area because there are insurance companies that use that to kind of sort people out and provide one of the most cost-effective manner for the state. So I'm in Washington State. So let's go over this really quick because in our Washington State, they have put a request in at the Office of the Insurance Commissioner of a 20.4% increase across the state for individual plans. That means that, hey, if you go out to the Office of the Insurance Commissioner, you can log on, look at those health insurance plans, and see what changes are. See how much they're requested to increase. See if the plan is going to stay in your area. There are big changes that are going to happen this next year, and some people are going to play set it and forget it, and they're going to really be upset with themselves. Additionally, our federal administration said, hey, we're going to increase how much people pay for their insurance. Last year, they increased this little, it's a applicable percentage table on how much we pay or how much contributions we get for these individual plans. The big news was everyone, they threw away the enhanced tax credits despite those being promised by candidates for years and saying, hey, we have it till December to work that out. They never worked it out. Some of us soldiered on. But one of the things they also changed was the percentages that we pay. Last year we were running about an 8.66 for the people that are running 300% of poverty to 400% of poverty level. That's going to increase to 10.22%. So even the little subsidies are going to be, that was a point where they were able to shave off some more on what the feds help cover for individual health care. When people say, oh my gosh, if it's subsidized, it's not affordable. Just about every possible aspect of health insurance is subsidized in one shape or form. You have group plans, which are subsidized by the government, and that's why you don't pay too much and your employer gets a big tax break for those. Those have been in place for a long, long time. The last time the Republicans took a swing at those hard was during Paul Ryan was the Speaker of the House during the Tea Party. Don't know if we're going to see those in the next couple of years get swung at. It's possible. Everyone has felt oh my gosh, they're taking away the enhanced tax credits from the Affordable Care Act. We still got our basic tax credits, but they're going to make those shrink even further this next year. So you're going to want to definitely shop for plans. The third thing, just announced yesterday, hey, the Medicare drug plans, those have got a subsidy for them to make those make the companies be able to afford what they're doing with those out-of-pocket maximums for those drugs. Well, the administration said they're taking those away. So we don't know what's going to happen to those Medicare drug plans. So if you've got someone that is using a Medicare drug plan, remind them to check in. It's going to be a good year. They get an annual notification letter about the same time you do. So usually the first week of October. And it's important to really review those documents. If you don't understand them, have someone that understands them go through you. So yes, another year of big, massive changes. You definitely want to shop this year because, the prices are going up and how they're going to interact and work it's gonna be tougher for you. So hey, we're all in this together. If you got any questions, let us know at Wenatchee Insurance. We've been doing this since the beginning. This is my 14th open enrollment. I'm training a couple people to help out on the back end, but they're not going to have the comfort that Susie and I have. Give them time, a little bit of deep breath. We're backing them up, and we are going to get through this open enrollment. It is going to start November 1st, and it's going to run through January 15th. So yes, it's going to be some work. And if you've got someone on Apple Health, we'll talk about, hey, this is what's going on with some of those changes as well. So it's a good refresher this fall. Set your appointments early. We are going to be working through a lot of long hours this fall. So, hey, have a good one. Yes, it's changing. Yes, you have the right to complain to the Office of Insurance Commissioner about the price of health insurance. Complain to your legislators. This is a great time to do that. And hey, if you got any questions, let me know. Bye.